Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to check message requests on TikTok app. So make sure that you're already subscribed to Solution Lab and hit that bell icon so that you can get latest updates on different apps. Now let's jump right into our video. First of all, open up the TikTok mobile application and at the bottom right you should be able to find your profile. Simply tap on your profile. Once you tap on your profile, at the top right you should be able to find the three horizontal lines. Tap on those three horizontal lines and click on settings and privacy. Click on privacy. The second option, you will be able to find privacy. Click on it. Now scroll down and you should be able to find direct messages. In the interaction, click on the direct messages and click on allow direct messages from everyone, so that you will be able to get all of those friend requests that you want to accept. Once you go here, you can get the chat request or the message request. At the bottom you should be able to find the inbox option. Tap on that inbox option and all of the new accounts or the message request will appear here, and that is how you can easily find and accept the message request on TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.